There are thousands of restaurants in New York City. Here are 5 Black-owned restaurants you should check out. Sylvia's Restaurant, located at 328 Malcolm X Boulevard in Harlem, New York. Sylvia's Restaurant has been serving menu favorites like Southern fried chicken, grits, cornmeal dusted catfish, and barbecue ribs since 1962. Sylvia's is owned by Sylvia Woods, the queen of soul food. Amy Ruth's, located at 113 West 116th Street in Harlem, New York, was established in 1998 and is open 24 hours a day to serve up your favorites, and all named after celebrities. The Nate Robinson, barbecue ribs, the Ruby D, catfish, and the President Barack Obama, fried, smothered, baked, and barbecue chicken. Owner Carl S. Redding named the restaurant after his grandmother, Amy Ruth Moore Bass. Melba's, located at 300 West 114th Street in New York, is owned by Melba Wilson. It is considered the ultimate in comfort food, like catfish strips, southern crab cakes, and southern fried chicken. You have to try the eggnog waffles with strawberry butter. Cheryl's Global Soul, located at 236 Underhill Avenue in Brooklyn, is owned by Chef Cheryl. They serve American-style food, breakfast, brunch, burgers, Caribbean, soul food, and Southern. Brunch is served Saturdays and Sundays starting at 10 a.m. First come, first served. Red Rooster Harlem, located at 310 Malcolm X Boulevard in New York. Red Rooster is owned by Andrew Chapman and Marcus Samuelson. They opened a restaurant with the goal of having a positive impact in their Harlem neighborhood. Named after an old speakeasy, the restaurant serves delicious soul food. Try the blackened catfish and grits with a slice of black bottom peanut pie, and listen to music. For more Black-owned businesses near you, visit us at www.blackbusiness.com. Stay in the black with Black.